Hi everyone. Today I will show you an example of businesses that you can build in Launchpad specifically. This example will show you what's possible. It doesn't mean it's this one specific type of businesses you can build though. You can build really almost any online business though. But this is to show you what's possible and how you can do it on the example of my workings here, right? What I'm building here is in say a personal brand for coaching, consulting, course building, and ebooks, right? This is a type of expert business, right? And there is an online presence. There is a back office where I can showcase those ebooks and courses, and I will show you exactly what you can do. This will also give you an idea of how rich environment in terms of, say, your online presence you can build here. It's really world class, as you will see. So now, where we are at is so-called mentors.com. It's a powerful platform that is accompanying your Launchpad experience. It's extremely rich environment built specifically for online entrepreneurs, right? And one of the, by the way, most active and valuable groups there is Launchpad Group. And I'm building all this stuff in Launchpad. This is, you have also access here to DBL. This is your main route to DBL. This is your part of the DBL. DBL, this digital business launch, is like your hosting environment, but not your ordinary hosting, mind you. It's something that is built with simplicity and yet powerful underneath, mechanisms and automation underneath. So it's like your entire website hosting environment, right? But presented and given to you on a silver plate in such amazingly simple way that you don't have to scratch your head what this does mean, where to go next, what to do. And even if you find yourself in some confusion, you have always look at this support at your fingertips, right? And this is your VIP support. You have VIP access to it when you are in Launchpad, meaning people from support who are, there are several people here specifically for DBL support, right? For this. So when you find yourself, for example, in trouble in some confusion about how to say get your domain here or build your site or get some plugin to the site or set up your email, etc., etc., you can always get into this, and you will get in working days, you will get answer like in hours, right? In weekend it might be a day. So it's really this is just amazing environment, right? This is not your regular hosting environment. This is hosting environment on steroids, because it's not just hosting environment which is powerful, but also has this simplicity in design and like the beginner entrepreneur, right, in mind. So this is just simplicity embedded in this, and at the same time you have this support at your fingertips, right? So let's, for example, you will start, for example, from domain, from one of the first steps you do in creating new website, right, is creating your domain. So you go to domains, right? I have here one at this point in time, right? But you can always simply add. Look how simple this is, right? You just click here, and you have everything here, right? It might, at the first look, it might seem that, hey, what is it? This is simplistic, right? This is oversimplified. This is not. I won't find everything I can. And I should have, right, in a web hosting environment. But no, when you go deeper, again, simplicity in design, you will find very easily and quickly everything you need, right? You can create a subdomain. You can do this, that, right? You have everything. Here I have subdomain one. I have connected with convertry, right? You don't have to. I have it connected for fast and extremely fast landing pages, right? And split testing. But you can do everything here in this environment, right? You don't need a funnel builder. You can build funnels here. And then I have one for my course specifically. I have one subdomain, right? But I'm hosting everything here. And now, while speaking about my course, let's go to. Let's first go to my sites where I will have this course. I'm already working on this course, right, in the background, right, in the this is my website, right? So I'm working in the back end of this website, on this course, right? And again, look at the simplicity in design. You might think that you don't have everything, right? But you have not just everything, but even more. You have specific integrations that will help you even set up the most common tasks faster, right? Like with Google, like with Aweber, etc. Right? And you can always extend this stuff by creating new domains, new websites, right? For example, I'm clicking here on a button and I'm creating a new website. But let's go to my website, current website, right? By the way, I'm on a slow internet connection now. But this environment we have here is one of the fastest available for this type of website building, right? Only specific funnel builder softwares are faster than this, right? But they are not so powerful in terms of what you can do with it. There's not that level of customization, right? So for example, You wouldn't host there your courses, your membership sites, etc. But now, let's first have a look at my website, right? You've already seen the thumbnail of it. So this is my website. Here I'm hosting, right? As you see, I have some specific menu. This is menu visible only for members, right? So I have some membership say environment that I will be working, that I'm thinking about creating as well. You can actually do your course in relation, in membership type of doing your course, right? But that's just in the future. I only show you what you can do here, because think about it. When you are on some course or membership sites that will help you to put your stuff down and want you to pay for it, right? For hosting your course or your membership site, you have to not just pay for it, right? But you have to limit yourself in terms of what you can do, right? In this environment, you can do everything. I can change this theme completely, right? Rebuild it, and so that it will be just all my site, right? All everything about my brand, right? Unlike on those sites, right, that are specific for courses, all memberships, right? But here you see the view of my website from the perspective of a member, right? So if you would order one of my courses, you would go here and you would see your order history, right? Same with membership. You would see some. If you would be a member, you would see some data about your order history, right? So this is my main page. There are other pages, and let's now see the and by the way, I cannot right away start to change something, but I'm not sure if we have time to get into this. I will show you perhaps some things about editing, how easy it is with this system to edit your pages. It's a drag and drop technology, right? But I want you in this installment to focus on this one type of business you can build here, this expert business, right? So this is a main system where you can build an extremely powerful system, a whole education system, right? It might be even a university if you want. It's one of the most powerful, if not the most powerful systems to build educational system online. So this might be used just for one course, right? And many people just use it for just hosting the one course, right? Have you seen it? There might be just one course. You click on my courses, and you see one course. But you can built it into many courses, right? Well, some person ends one course and goes and can go to another. And there is some continuation in between, and there is also the membership part. You can create some memberships, and it really, you can develop it as much as you really need. Again, up to a whole university. But let's see what you can do. For example, we go to my courses now. And by the way, there's another perk to do this course and expert business in this way, because this is WordPress environment, WordPress background, which is very good for SEO. It's naturally developed for SEO, meaning for bringing your people organically free to your stuff. And here, because this is your website, you have a full control over this. Right? You are not one of 10,000s or hundreds of thousands of people on one of those course websites, right? You have your own stuff, and you have full control on building your online authority, right? So you have better chances, much better chances to be visible in places like Google and bring those people here to your courses naturally. So let's see my courses. You just hit a button and or just do this, copy a course you already have to not to start from scratch. And also they have some templates of courses you can use as a starting point, and it is some of help, right, to start from a template always. And you just go to a builder or to edit and modify this thing, right? So let's go, for example, here. And one more thing, this is not just extremely capable tool for building a university, right? So a complexity of educational system on multi-level, from multi-level standpoint, but also on micro level. You can develop the thing as much as you want. For example, there is gamification. You have create a lot of things like, say, quizzes, or let's say, what do we have? Oh, this is by the way based on template, right? But I would of course change many things here. This is a template of LMS lifter, right? So the creator of this plugin, of this whole module, right? You have available here free. And by the way, this is important. You have many modules here available in the price of LaunchPad, right? It's all free, right? Normally you would pay, and pay quite a bit for having those things, right, in your environment. But here you have all this within the price of LaunchPad. But now you've got this template, and you would change some, obviously, some pictures, some colors. You can change here everything, right? So that you will be very, very naturally with your theme and everything. But the most important thing is obviously the content you provide, and yeah, but those templates have also good copy. I've noticed. So in terms of copywriting, right, selling your course, Lifter LMS is just a specialist, you would say. So you have already in those templates embedded very good copy, right? And they have also great tutorials that help you sell your course, right? In terms of marketing, they are also very good, not just in terms of education. Okay, but we've mentioned quizzes and other forms of gamification. As you see, I've dabbled already some things. I edited already some things. It is actually not the main thing. I'm already. I'm working. I'm editing now. But you get the idea, right? You would change something, some polished something, and you would have a perfect, say, home view of your course in this way, right? And you can change everything you want here. So let's see this gamification. Or before we get into those quizzes and questions and additional materials to a lesson, right? You can add. Let's see say we want to change something now, right? For example, this membership. Again, this is like here you have the example of what I've mentioned earlier. You can have your course in the form of membership as well, right? You can sell it as one-off, right? But also as a membership or as a tiered say offer where you have course alone in the lowest tier, then with some group coaching, the middle tier, and with group coaching and one-on-one coaching at the highest tier, right? You can also use some marketing tips and functionalities you have here, like selling first installments or giving away first installment for free or for some discounted price, right? You have all those technical and marketing options, very easy to apply it, right, with a click of a button. But let's go to the quiz, for example. You can create quizzes, and there's an option. I haven't added it yet. There's another form of quizzes, if I remember correctly. But anyway, you have a quiz. Oh, that was an assignment, I guess. No, that was anyway. you have quizzes, you can have assignment, you can write at the end of each lesson, a student can have an assignment, right? So some list to do things, to read something, to watch something, to upload some work, right, for testing, for consultation or something like this, right? You can do everything you want here, really. And quiz will be just a series of questions, right? And and as you see, you have really a rich editor. You can do anything with this. You can even ask questions in this way, in media form, or you can add some visuals, right, to ask some questions. So it's a really nice way to enrich the educational experience for a student, right? And same with every lesson you want, right? Really. Let's go to assignments. You can use, by the way, you can reuse many things that you've already created for a course. It might be a quiz, it might be a question in a quiz, it might be an assignment, right? Am I right? I remember you can reuse some things from quizzes as well. Anyway, you as you see, this is for lesson itself. You can use some embedded URLs either from Vimeo, Vistia, or whatever. Might be YouTube as well for free, unlisted videos, right? All right, so yeah, most likely you can use any video platform you want. You can also have your course in audio format. Right? Excuse me. What else? And then after you are done, right, with lessons and modules and whatnot, you just set up the payment. You have also section of often again they suggest it to you. You upsell with next course, right, or membership again, right, or coaching, right. Everything here, all of those things you can again easily incorporate into this LMS ecosystem. Let's actually go to this upsell thing. I haven't seen it yet. So this is a normal thing. So you could upsell them again on video, audio, and everything you see on a page, which every lesson page might be as rich as the home page of the course, right? Let's go to settings. Yeah, there might be also some prerequisites, right, for a lesson. So as you see, this is just, as I said, you can make your own online university if you want. All right. I guess you could even make an option for others other parties to host their universities, so to speak, here in this environment, but I'm not sure about this. All right, so let's go to the course itself. This is how this would look like on your website. So as you see, there is some colors mismatch, but we would fix it easily. That there is, you would just use HTML codes from your theme, from your main theme. But this is all in the workings, so it's not done yet. Yeah. And now as for the editing, you can edit there in the back office, but you have also amazing builder. I mean, you have also WordPress builder, but you have also such a thing called DBL site builder, which is an amazing tool explicitly designed for making this page edits as intuitive as possible. Again, with this drag and drop technology, even within this drag and drop technology, right? It is meant to be even easier. So let's see. I'm launching DBL site builder now. And the idea is that when you edit the page, it just is going to be as natural as you would do it in some, say, word processor like Microsoft Word, right? Or Mac equivalent, right? Pages. All right, so say we want to edit something here, like, I don't know, this text, right? Or those links, or this video, right? Say I want to change this link, right? Or say I want to add another one. So I do this like I would do in yeah, and I'm done. Say we want to change something here. Whatever we want to change, we can go either here to add to use WordPress editor, or this module, which is normally this another module that is normally paid, but you have access to it free in LaunchPad. Yeah, and whatever we, as you see, want to edit, it's automatically highlighted, and we have many options either to move it or to copy it, to duplicate it, right? Or change something more specific in it, like really anything we want, right? All right. So this is how it looks like. That's why this is drag and drop, right? Typically when you have a theme, you have every page already done, and all you need to do is just changing images and text, and you are done.